Good morning, class 5th. We are again with chapter 5, that is breathing deeply. So, this is the fourth part of chapter 5th. Here you all can see homework. So, I hope that you all have done your homework in your book. Now students, open page number 23 in your EBS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. Now here I am going to read the chapter breathing speed. Have you noticed that you breathe faster when you run, swim or cycle? The speed of breathing changes with different activities. This is because when we require more oxygen, the heart beats faster to pump more blood. Blood carries oxygen to all parts of the body. Blood also carries carbon dioxide back to the heart, which is given out by the lungs when we exhale. Students, you have to underline a word exhalation and inhalation. So here in this paragraph we understood, have you ever noticed why our breath runs so fast when we run, swim or ride a bicycle? Because our breathing speed increases and decreases by doing different things. This is because when we need more oxygen, then the heartbeat in our body increases, so that the pumping of oxygen increases. Blood carries oxygen to different parts of our body and also carries carbon dioxide from different parts of our body to the heart, and after it, heart carries out carbon dioxide by sending it out with breath. Is that clear, students? On the average, the human heart beats about 72 times in a minute. A stethoscope is an instrument which a doctor uses to listen to the sound of our heartbeat. It helps the doctor to know whether we are ill or well. So here students, you have to underline some words. Stethoscope, instrument means tool, L means sick. So here from this paragraph we have understood that the human heart beats on average 72 times in 1 minute. The doctor has an instrument called stethoscope by which doctor checks our heartbeat. Only after checking heartbeat, the doctor gets to know whether we are sick or we are fine. Is that clear, students? Now, breathing is hot and humid. Underline this word. Humid means moist. You can see in this picture that a boy runs. Keep your hand in front of your mouth and blow out air. You will realize that the air you blow out is hot and humid. This is because the body is hot inside and has a temperature of 98.6 Fahrenheit. So here students, you have to underline realize. Realize means feel or experience. Blow out means throw out. Humid means moist. And F, which means Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is a major scale of thermometer. So you can see a girl blows out on the mirror. So from this paragraph we have understood that if you place your hand in front of the mouth and then breathe out slowly, then you come to know that your breath feels hot and moist. This is because the air inside our body is hot, and due to which our body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay students, so that's all for today. In the next class we will see the next paragraph of breath is hot and humid. So thank you class.